So we're back at the car show, and I saw this thing. Oh, it definitely has suspension, airlift suspension. And then there was also this thing, that big old hood. What is that? What is that? That's hilarious. There it goes. Nice. Handbrake. Don't know what that is. And this. I like Jeeps. These are pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah. There's. Pretty cool. Let's hop in. I'm gonna get in the back. Oh, that's a bit weird. Huge touchscreen. That looks pretty cool. Oh, that's awkward. Somebody's in there. Okay. It's a little ugly. Oh, bro, no, that is, the visibility is so bad. Here's what you're looking at. That is, it's awful. I mean, I'm not a Mustang fanboy anymore, but, oh, that's cool. But that might hurt your back a little bit. No, you can't notice it. It's a bit cool. The visibility's poor, but that's, many other people have said that. Back seats, it's nice to have. Pretty good. Mustangs are not bad. Let's hop in. Is this how you shift or what? That's nice, okay. Huge touchscreen, that's cool. There's that from the front. Hopping in another convertible. That's a long door. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Pretty cool. Gonna hop in? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Bro, this all black interior is lit, dude. Main roof, sunroof, whatever you want to call that. That's very nice. I probably should get out before I break something. Another nice one. Plural form of Lexus should be Lexi. Oh, never mind, actually. That's a little awkward to all the way up there, just driving, and then you just gotta go up there, but okay. I'm freaking Doug DeMuro. Oh, it's a Maybach. Would you look at that? I wish I got that in the cinematic earlier. Now I'm in a Mercedes. A Merc. I wish I could see out of it, but pretty good visibility, I guess. Yes, I'm Doug DeMuro's child. Can you get in this one? Nope. And soccer mom. But this one. Yeah, definitely. You can tell because the windows. Okay. Okay, Volvo. Okay. So. Yeah, okay. Let's get in this Volvo. Oh, and it's got paddle shifts, bro. Dang, it's got paddle shifts in a Volvo. Okay. Okay, Volvo. This. Oh, it's 19. Aw, how about this one? Yep, the windows are down. When the windows are down, that's when you for sure know you can get in. Yeah, I don't really fit. It's like some picture in there. I don't really know. Five seats.
Alright, I'll meet you by the front entrance. Alright.
paddle shifts. What would that be? Maybe a phone, I guess, but no charger ports. That sucks. Okay. Oh, boys, can you believe it? It's a Prius. It's a Prius. It's a Prius. Oh, wow. It's a Prius, boys. It's a Prius. I hate Priuses. Or, never mind. Priuses are godlike. Subaru hatchback. Okay. Legacy all-wheel drive. But here's the one.
And partnering with a local animal shelter.
Subaru STI WRX. Yeah, this is the WRX, right? Holy cow, that's a lot of trunk room, surprisingly. WRX STI.
I really like a Jetta though.
These are
I
nice.
like your Jetta picture.
So let's get in this. Oh, it's manual, bro. No way. Yeah, there's a clutch. Clutch is down there. Bro, that's surprising. There's a lot of these where I wish that I found and put in my cinematic earlier. Yeah, so many of these I wish I put in my cinematic. But, you know, oh, paddle shifters, okay. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even know this model existed. It's a cool picture. Okay. 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 Meaty tires. Display. Hopping this up. This is cool. Back into the Ford GT. Oh, sorry, my bad. That's a Ford Mustang GT, by the way. I need to invert these colors. It looks really whack with all the gray. Let's hop in this. Not sure what it is. I don't even know if I've been in here before. Oh, no, how do you turn down the music? Oh, there we go, okay. There we go. Oh, actually. Oh, I can now. I'm leaving. Somebody was just playing Mo Bamba in this. The heck? I just did the simulator. You'd press the gas and then it would respond like 2 seconds later, and I put on manual shifting, but it kept doing it for me automatically. I was like, and then the steering would just turn left and right randomly, and then I'd hit the brakes, and then it would just like not hit the brakes and stuff. It was whack. I like the Raptor. Pretty sick, dude. Toyota Tundra, TSS Off-Road SRS, whatever that one means. Pretty sure I was just in this, but how do you open this? Oh, that's a lot of room. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of room. That's like up to my elbow. That's whack. Exhaust pipe. Exhaust pipe. I'm gonna get in this thing. Holy cow. I like being high up like this. It's a big old mirror too. Corolla hot hatch. It's no paddle shifters. It's an automatic, but pretty sure I was in this earlier. I do like this. This is very comfortable. 4Runner. 4Runner. Okay. Manual. Why is the shifter all the way up there? RAV4. Smells amazing in here. That was the front of the car that I was just in. don't know what this is. It's a Toyota, obviously. It's Camry, that's what it is. Oh, I can't believe I actually just fell for that. It's another Toyota Camry with red leather. Let's hop in the Lincoln MKC. Ooh, okay. $14.5 miles on this. Touchscreen. I know this is probably a really long video, but I love these cars, man. I love cars. You have no idea, bro. 10.5 miles on that one. Oh, I was in this one before. Lincoln Continental. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. That is insane. That's so cool. Golf GTI. I was in this earlier. Got that weird interior. But this is amazing. Beetle. Handbrake. Oh. Okay. All that good stuff. And then the rear seats. This is a nice Beetle. Holy cow. I've seen so many of these on the road. I want to get in one. Holy cow, they're really nice cars. I see so many people have them on their own. Holy cow. That's it from the front. I gotta hop in this, dude. Ooh. Oh, I've already been in this. Never mind. But this, never mind. I gotta. Yes. Bro, those mice, that commercial. Bro, these are these are actually really nice. And paddle shifters. I love my paddle shifters. Sorry if this is a really long video. I haven't. How do you get up? Okay. Sorry if this is a really long video. I'm just really good content. Red interior. Okay. How about this? Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go get to the driver's side. Somebody just honked the horn. I don't know if you could hear it or not. I don't know when I shot the video, but I just heard a honk. Paddle shifters, okay. I love my paddle shifters. But still, this is so cool. First ever Supra I've ever seen in my life. And brake ducts, that's cool. Pretty cool. Z06, Dodge Viper, Nissan GTR. There's a Murcielago over there. McLaren, if you know what that McLaren is, it bothers me that I don't know it. And then we also have this Porsche, and then we got a Huracan right there, and it looks so mean. I've never seen one this like this. 911 GT3. No, I want to get in this thing so bad. Maybe that is real. Exhaust pipe. UX200. Oh, red interior. I like my red interior too. You know, I love my paddle shifters. Jeep Compass 4x4. Nice. It's a massive diffuser. One place I haven't checked out is the Acuras. So I'll hop in this one. Let's see what it is. TLX. Bro, my back feels so good now. I don't know if I want to leave. I feel like somebody's gonna take a nap in like the back seat of a car or something here. I like this little yellow finish touch. I'm not sure if that has to be there or not, if that's like factory, but it looks pretty cool. Okay, the last car I'm gonna get in is a Cherokee Trailhawk. Nice. Wait for the turn, wait for the turn, wait for the turn. And then you'll be able to see the car that I'm trying to zoom in on. There we go. Lowrider. Why does everybody do that? They see a sports car and then they always like don't pull up all the way to it. And the engine just sitting right there. Then we got a lowrider.